I have to calm down. I know. I have to calm down because there is a story I want to tell. If I don't calm down, I will just be like this. And I cannot speak, and the words will be like kites that has escaped my grip. So I have to harness myself somewhere. I don't know. I'm literally looking for something inside that I can anchor on so that my ship does not fly on the outer space. My room smells like muscle pain relief ointment. And in the Philippines, this is something that you would normally smell in a senior citizen's house. Maybe I am a senior citizen. Maybe. Sometimes I feel like I have been around. Sometimes I feel like I've been around for longer than I am alive, I guess. I just told myself to stay still, but why am I behaving like a pendulum? I'm behaving like a door. Now that I think about it, I'm behaving like a door because when you pass by a door, it's just a door. It's a normal door. But if you get curious, you open the door. You kind of give permission to what's ever inside to reveal itself. And whenever I hit that button, it feels like I am the curious cat who opened something to a door that I don't really know what's there. So now, this is what is revealing itself today. Every time. It's such this soul or this shred of nature or is very entertaining, mysterious and dark sometimes, but it's very worthwhile, I guess, to see or experience. I have to calm down. I'm trying, or am I? I don't know if I'm trying. Just to clear this up, there is no substance involved in the journey of this. No. It may look like I just had something prior to speaking to you, but all I had is water. This is water. I know that this can be interpreted in multiple ways, but this is water. If you're here, I will make you smell this, but you're not. So this is water. See, no reaction. This is water. I will try to begin again for and see if I can contain myself better on the next one.